My name remains Patrick. Now today we are going to be talking about percentage composition by mass of an element in a compound. Now the percentage composition by mass of an element in a compound can also be calculated. Are you getting it? For example, let's take the percentage composition of calcium in the compound. Okay, let's say example. Calculate the percentage by mass of calcium in the compound calcium hydroxide. Now let us calculate the percentage composition by mass of calcium in this compound. And at first, you have to calculate the relative atomic mass of the compound. The relative atomic mass. Of course, we have done that before. Let's do it. Now, the mass of calcium, let's take mass of calcium. It's given as 40. Mass of oxygen. Put this one. Mass of oxygen, 16. Mass of hydrogen, 1. These are the relative atomic mass of the element. And therefore, we can say calcium, which is 40 plus. Now, look at this bracket. Oxygen times 2, that's O2. We have O2. If I do that, we have calcium, open the bracket, O2, H2. So this is what we have. So we can see that calcium is 40 plus oxygen 2 times 16 plus hydrogen 2 times 1. Are you getting it now? Everything will now be equals to 40 plus 2 times 16, 32 plus 2 times 1, 2. So everything will now be, let's calculate it. 40 plus 32 plus 2. Everything will give us 74. So the relative atomic mass of the compound calcium hydroxide is 74. Now we are also calculate the percentage composition by mass of calcium. Now we have to express it in 100, anything percentage. Therefore, calcium all over the compound calcium triazole, calcium hydroxide times 100 times 100%. So this is the formula, and therefore we can say that calcium is 40. The mass of calcium is 40 all over. Let me clean this. The relative atomic mass, which I have calculated as 74 times 100 times 100. So let us do it. 40 times 100 divided by 74 will give us 54. Approximately 54.1%. So this is the percentage of calcium in this compound. Percentage composition of calcium in this compound. We can as well calculate for oxygen and hydrogen. Are you getting it? Good. So let us do the second one. Let us calculate for another compound. Components of an element in another compound. For example, calculate the percentage by mass of sodium tetraoxosulfate 6. This is the formula for sodium tetraoxosulfate 6. Now we have here atomic mass of sodium is 23, sulfur is 32, oxygen is 16. Therefore, let us now calculate the relative atomic mass. The relative atomic mass of this compound is equals to 23 times 2, because there is 2 here, plus 32 is 4 times 16. Everything here. We have 2 times, this is 46 plus 32 plus 64. So here we have 64 plus 32 plus 46. So the relative atomic mass of sodium tetravalent gives us 142. Therefore, we also calculate the percentage of sodium, write the formula all over the compound. Formula of the compound, tetravalent 6 times 100, which is given or equals to the mass of sodium is 23 all over the relative atomic mass 142 times 100. So there you can say that 23 multiplied by 100 equals to divided by 142 will give us 16 points. Everything here will give us approximately 16.2%. So this is how we calculate percentage composition by mass of a component of an element in a compound.